Hi guys, we'll be solving an O-level past paper question from the year 2014. The session is October-November. This is question number 4. This question is based on mensuration. So let's get into it. The diagram shows a solid triangular prism. The dimensions are in meters. The first part says calculate the volume of the prism. In order to find the volume, we need to find the area of this triangle that we have over here. For that, you do half times 3 times 7 and you need to multiply that by the third dimension, that is 10. So you multiply this by 10. You divide this, you get 5. 5 sevens are 35. 35 times 3 is 105 meters cube. That's the volume of this prism. The next part says calculate the total surface area of the prism. In order to find the total surface area of this prism, there are 5 different sides to this shape. The side that is at the bottom, let me highlight that, this rectangle that we have at the bottom, you need to find both the dimensions for this. One of them is 10, let's call the other one x. But in order to find x, you will need to use the Pythagoras theorem and use 7 and 3 to find x. So let's first find that. We do x square equals 3 square plus 7 square. X square is equal to 9 plus 49. X square is equal to not under root yet, but 58. So x is equal to root of 58. That comes out to be 7.62. Now we have these dimensions. We need to find the areas of all individual sides, that is 5 different sides, and add them together. So let's first find the area of this side that we have. That is 3 times 10 plus the 2 triangles. Let's do that. Half times 3 times 7, and you multiply this by 2 because there are 2 triangles, plus the side at the top, that is 7 times 10, and the 5th side that we have, we do 10 times the value that we found for x, that is 7.62. You do 10 times 7.62. When we add all of these values together, you'll get the total surface area. So you add 30 and you add 76.2 and you add 21 and you add 70. When you add all these values together, the total surface area comes out to be 197.2 or meter square, or you can write 197 up to 3 significant figures. The next part of the question says, the diagram shows the cross section of a ramp A and a triangular prism B. The triangular prism B can move up and down the ramp A. The ramp is inclined at 25 degrees to the horizontal. When the prism has moved 2 meters up the ramp, it has risen h meters vertically. Calculate h. So they're talking about this triangle that we have over here. Now we already have the hypotenuse of this triangle and we're looking for the opposite, since this angle given to us is 25 degrees. So the formula for this is very, very simple. We do sine 25 is equal to the opposite, that is h, over 2. H is equal to 2 times sine 25. H comes out to be, h comes out to be 0.845 meters. So you write your answer over here, 0.845 meters. Okay. The next part of the question says, as it moves, the uppermost face of the prism B remains horizontal. The length of the horizontal edge of the face is 0.6 meters. The length of the vertical edge of the prism is y meters. Calculate y. Okay, let's have a look at the drawing first. They're asking us to calculate this little value of y that we have over here, this one. Okay. Now, since they have also mentioned that this remains horizontal to this, that means these two lines are parallel to each other. If these two lines are parallel to each other, therefore, this angle that we have, the small angle that we have over here, this is going to be 25 degrees. If this is 25 degrees, all you have to do is use the opposite, that is y, and the adjacent, and find the value of y. So when we have the opposite over the adjacent, we use tan. So tan 25 is equal to the opposite, that is y, divided by the adjacent, that is 0.6. So y should be equal to 0.6 times tan 25. When we multiply these two, the value of y comes out to be 0.280 meters. So you write your answer over here, 0.280 meters up to 3 significant figures, and we are done with the question. I hope this question made sense. The complete working of the entire question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.